How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tech by Sammy, where today we're going to be learning how to monitor our performance on Windows. So, obviously, most people know about Task Manager. Task Manager is the easiest, simplest GUI to see what is eating up all of our CPU, memory, disk, or network space. So, obviously, you can see OBS running, Steam, Google, the normal stuff. With this screen, you can right click and say you don't want Steam anymore. You can end task. You can also see the different resource values, debug it, do a couple other things. We also have the performance, which will show you the name of your CPU, how much memory you have. I have 32 gigs. You're going to see the capacity of your hard drive, your SSD. I have 4 and an SD card plugged in right now. And we also got my RTX 3060. So you can also click Open Resource Monitor. Now this is like Task Manager on steroids. This actually points out how many bits and what's actually going on and how much of everything is using, if that makes any sense. So you can see the commit, the amount of virtual memory reserved by the operating system in the process of kilobits, working set, the amount of memory currently in use by the process in kilobits, shareable, the amount of physical memory in use of the process that can be shared in other processes, and private, the amount of physical memory in use in the process that cannot be used in any other processes in kilobits. So these are our different overviews. So this is your CPU, how many threads everything is using. We were just looking at our memory. Look at our disk. Look at our network. So one of the next things we can do is also look up performance monitor. This is another thing already installed on all Windows. You can go here and you can add different counters. So this is for when you have a real problem with your software or something. So let's say you got an issue with, where is it? Your processor. So you can see the privilege time, processor time, user time. You can see a bunch of different things that you can add. You can go and it will watch for that certain thing. So you can see it's counting out the C2 time and the processor time right now. See how the line out is going up. Then you can pause it and you can start up another app or something. You can continue it. And whenever you're done with it, you can delete it. And you can add another one if you really wanted to. And this really helps with debugging some things. Personally, I haven't had to use it, but this is a really good tool to know about if you're trying to debug something. The very last thing I'm going to show you is just a couple commands on PowerShell that you can use. So you can go, git process. This line, I know it's kind of weird. The way you do it is you press shift and the /. That's how you get that sound. Some people don't know how to get to it. Oh. Sort object CPU descending. Same thing, straight line, select. object dash first 5. Okay, so what this is going to do is it's going to show the 5 most uh sorry, show the top 5 processes using the most CPU. So obviously present mon, not sure what that is, but it's using the most of my CPUs right now. Let's do another one. Get counter quote / processor. Oh, geez, I'm not spelling that right. Huh. Underscore total / %, process. Okay. And what this would do is gives a live CPU usage. And then the very last one is get counter / memory available M bytes. And this shows you how many megabits of available RAM that we got left. And that's the last thing that I got for y'all today. Hope y'all someone learned anything from this. If not, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.